Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share the feedback details of whatever product you are taking the form submission or the product review from the customers to your team. Yes, as soon as the product review is submitted by our customers, automatically it will be shared to your team on Slack. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create the same automation for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Forms to Slack in such a manner that whenever a product review is submitted by the customer, automatically my team gets notified about the same. For this, we are going to create the connection between these two applications, Google Forms and Slack, using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks. You can use those tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. Here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create this workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as notify team when a product review is submitted, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new form submission, automatically my team gets the notification of that form submission or the product review, which means whenever I'm going to get a new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Forms. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select new response received and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Forms for whichever book URL is provided to me, and this webbook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Forms. So I am on this feedback form. You can see that I have created this feedback form in Google Forms. I have the name, email, phone, product name, how would you rate the experience, would you recommend us to others, and additional comments. This is the form. We have to make sure that we have kept the toggle on this last field on, and then we have to go towards the responses and then click on this view in sheets. Here this sheet has opened in front of. We can see all the details: name, email, phone, how would you rate the experience, would you recommend us to others, any additional comments, or the product name. So I have all these fields which I have in my Google form. Now over here, to check this once, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a form submission and check whether the details of the form which I'm submitting is added here or not. So for that, I'm going to copy the link of this form, paste it in a new tab and do a form submission there. So here I will be entering some details, like the name is new leads, the email address is new lead 42@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number, and then I'm going to enter the product name was Cure Skin. Then I'm going to rate the experience as 4. Would you recommend us to others? Yes. Any additional comment? The product is very light and smooth on skin. So I'm going to click on this submit. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be added in the spreadsheet. Here it is. We have added all the details. So over here you can see the name is new leads and the email address is newlead42@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number. This is the product name. This is the rating. Then we have, would you recommend this to others? Yes. And the additional comment was this: the product is very light and smooth on skin. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the Google Forms and Google Sheets are connected, and from here I have to send the details to my workflow. For that, what I have to do, I have to go towards the extensions, click on this add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace has opened in front of me where I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and over here we can see this as installed. I've already installed this, but you have to make sure that you follow the same process to install this and then you refresh your Google Sheets. After doing this, you have to click on this extensions, click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then click on this initial setup. A box will appear in front of you where you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So over here, I'm going to go back towards my workflow, copy this webhook URL, paste it over here, and then I need to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Here my final data entry column is column H, which means whenever the data will be added in this particular column, the complete row data will be sent to the workflow. I'm going to click on this send test and you will see the test data will be sent. And now to make this setup, I have to click on the submit also. You will see setup configured successfully. Now I should have received these details in my workflow. I'm going to go towards my extensions now, click on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's open my workflow and check whether I have received these details there or not. 5 seconds ago, we have captured the response. So would you recommend us to others? Yes. The trigger column is this. Then we have the spreadsheet name. We have the rest of the details. The product name is this. Then we have the phone number. We have the name as new leads. We have the experience, the rating. Then we have the email address, newleads42@pabblytudes.com. And then we have the additional comment. The product is very light and smooth on skin. Here, as soon as we have received the form submission, we can say the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new form submission or new feedback sent, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new review submitted, I want to share that with my team on Slack. I'm going to select the action application as Slack. In the action event, I'm going to select send channel message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Slack. Here we have to enter the token type. I have entered it as user. You have to enter user or bot. You can click on this hyperlink and you will be landed towards the forum page of Pabbly where you can check this. I'm going to save this and you will see Slack will be connected to Pabbly Connect. I'm going to allow. I have already logged into my Slack account and you will see Slack will be connected. Now I'm going to enter the details. Connection created successfully. First, I'm going to enter the channel ID. Now, if I open the channel which I've created, the channel name is product review. So I'm going to search for this product review and then I'm going to enter the message. So I'm going to enter the message as hello team, we have received new feedback. Here are the details: name, email, phone, product, comment. So here I have entered the message and now I'm going to map the details. So over here I'm going to first enter the name. The name was this, new leads. Then I'm going to enter the email address. The email address was new lead, this one. Then I'm going to enter the phone number. The phone number which I have received was this. Then I'm going to enter the product. The product was this, Cure Skin. Then I'm going to enter the comment which was this. Now over here, see, I have mapped these details instead of manually entering it because mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'm going to execute this workflow. Over here, you can see that I have not entered these details, but if you want to enter, you can enter reading the help desk given below these fields, and also I'm going to skip these fields and keep these fields as the default only. Let's save and send test request and wait for the response. We have received the response and this response is positive. Let me open my channel and here it is. You can see just now I have sent this message. Hello team, we have received a new feedback. Here are the details. The name is new lead, email address is newlead@pabblytudes.com. We have the phone number, the product name is this, the comment is product is very light and smooth on skin. So this is how we have created the connection between Google Forms and Slack using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.